Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Chittaranjan Das. Actually, my channel ta korichi the students are going to appearing the CBT in TGT Science, both PCM and CBZ. तो मैंने सब जानी चो जे each chemistry take an important role. Okay, in your the CBT exam, both PCM and CBZ. It is the combined chapter. तो यहाँ गोटे कंबाइंड चैप्टर अच्छी जेठी 1 मार्क इज ऑल्सो टेक ए वेरी इंपोर्टेंट रोल टू गेट द जॉब एंड टू सिलेक्ट एज वेल एज डिस्ट्रिक्ट ओके कहीं मु भी लास्ट 2020 रे पाई मु जानी जे 1 मार्कटा केते इंपोर्टेंट केते इंपोर्टेंट अच्छी जे बहुत ही इंपोर्टेंट 1 मार्क और 0.25 मार्क ऑल्सो ओके 0.25 मार्क रे नियर अबाउट 50 मोर देन 50 स्टूडेंट रही होचंती सो इट टेक एन इंपोर्टेंट रोल इट इज द कंबाइंड चैप्टर सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी अबाउट द मोल कॉन्सेप्ट तो मोल कॉन्सेप्ट बहुत ही इंपोर्टेंट कहीं तुम सब जानिच मोल कॉन्सेप्ट स्टार्टिंग है फ्रॉम क्लास 9 रु बट मैक्सिमम पिला यही मोल कॉन्सेप्ट ही प्रॉब्लम फेस करुचंती ओके तो to clear the mole concept to first you know that is the basic concept part of the mole concept. Before going to the mole concept you should know what is Avogadro's number. What is Avogadro's number? It has been found experimentally that 1 gram atom of any element is the same as the number of the molecules present in 1 gram of the molecules of any substance and is equal to the number of atom or molecules present in 12 gram of carbon 12 isotope. Okay, means is the Avogadro's number is that number, the number of atom present in the 12 gram of carbon 12 isotopes. You know that the 1/12th part of 1/12th part of carbon 12 atom are take as carbon 12 atom are take as 1 AMU. Okay, 1/12th part of the carbon 12 atom are taken as 1 AMU. So the number of atom present in 12 gram or 0.12 kg of C12 atom 0.012 kg or of C12 isotope that is called Avogadro's number. It is experimentally found that the value is 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. या गोटे परीक्षामूलक भाव देखाई जे 12 ग्राम कार्बन 12 आटम रे आमर नंबर ऑफ कार्बन आटम केते रहउचंती ना 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. This is the most important number. This is a number which taken as the are called the Avogadro's number. The Avogadro's number means which represent to the number of atom present in 1 gram atom of any substance. The number of atom present 1 gram atom of any substance. जेकोनसी उडे substance रे 1 gram atom also represent to 1 mole. Okay, when we mole mean the number of atom present in also in 12 gram. The 1 mole mean the number of atom present in 12 gram of carbon 12 isotope. That is, so that Avogadro's number always represent to number of atom present in 1 gram atom of any substance or number of molecule present in 1 gram molecule of any substance or the number of ion present in 1 gram of any substance. That is called elementary entity. The number of atom or ion or molecules, these are called elementary entities. These are called elementary entities. The number of atom or molecule or ion are called elementary entities. Elementary entities. Okay, elementary entities. So that the Avogadro's number mean that is 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. This is the most important number, and it represented by n, or in some cases also represented by n node, or in some book also represented na. Okay, represent to Avogadro's number, just like the 1 dozen. 1 dozen mean 12 number of banana are called, 12 number of apple are called the 1 dozen. Just like that, this number 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 numbers are called Avogadro's number. Okay, next thing, the mole. Next things are mole. Mole mean the number of elementary entities present in elementary entities mean that may be atom, that may be molecule, that may be ion, but in this case that is the atom present in 12 gram carbon 12 isotope. This is the, you know that the number of entities present in 12 gram carbon isotope are the Avogadro's numbers. So that 1 mole is equal to 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. The mole concept is nothing, that is only a number. That is only a number. Mean 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 number are called what? 1 mole. Means suppose we say that 1 mole bananas. 1 mole banana mean 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 banana. 1 mole mango mean 1 mole mango mean 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 mango. Okay, mean 1 mole, just like a dozen, just like a gross, it is a number. Okay, 1 mole banana mean this banana, 1 mole mango mean this banana, number of mango. Suppose 1 mole rupees means that is the 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 rupees. But to count by ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ ଆମ୍ବ ଗଣୁଛୁ କି ବାନାନା କୁ କାଉଣ୍ଟ କରୁଛୁ ସେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ ମୋଲ କୁ ୟୁଜ କରୁନୁ. ମୋଲ ସ୍ପେଶିଆଲି ୟୁଜ ଫର ଦ କାଉଣ୍ଟ ଅଫ ହ୍ୱାଟ atom, molecule, ion, special the elementary entities. So 1 mole atom mean 1 mole atom mean that is 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. Okay, then the next basic part is molar mass. Next basic part is molar mass. Molar mass. Molar means mass mean the mass of 1 mole elementary entities, 1 mole elementary entities of specific type of specific substance are called molar mass. Are called what? Molar mass. The mass of 1 mole elementary entities of specific substance are called molar mass. Mean you know that mass of an mass of an oxygen atom, you know that is 16 mu, but mass of 1 mole oxygen atom equal to 16 mu into 6.023 into 10 to the power 23, that is equal to 16 gram, because the 1 mu into 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 equal to 1 gram, because you know that 1 mu equal to 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg into 6.023, 24 gram into 10 to 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 equal to 1, approximately 1. Okay, 1.67, 1 mu equal to 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram into 6.023 into 10 to the power 23, it nearly equal to 1. So when the atomic mass, mean unit of atomic mass, you know that mu are converted to gram, then it represent to molar mass, that mass of 1 mole, because 1 mu into 1 mole equal to 1 gram, mean mass of 1 oxygen atom 16 mu, but mass of 1 mole oxygen atom, that is 16 gram. This is the main part. Suppose in a molecule, suppose water molecule, you know that molecular mass of water molecule or molecular mass of water, mean H2O, hydrogen atomic mass kete achi na 1 into 2 plus oxygen atomic mass 16, that is equal to 18 mu. 18 mu means mass of 1 water molecule, गोटे सिंगल वाटर मोलेक्यूल रो मास होची 18 mu. If we take 1 mole water molecule, से जगह से हमें 1 mole water molecule नोचु, that is called molar mass or molecular mass of molecular mass of 1 mole molecule water molecule, 1 mole water molecule equal to 18 gram. Are you clear? So always the molar mass and molecular mass are same, but molecular mass expressed in mu, but molar mass expressed in gram. Mean gram molecular mass equal to molar mass. Mean if the molecular mass expressed in gram, then it represent to 1 mass of 1 mole molecule. Clear? So main aim to find out the number of mole of atom or molecule present in the given substance. हमको गोटे किसी स्पेसिफाइड अमाउंट सब्सटेंस देइतिबो ता भितरु हमें फाइंड आउट करिबा, कैलकुलेशन करिबा तो नंबर ऑफ एटम्स, so that the formula for calculation of mole concept, number of mole or gram atom, gram molecules, number of mole equal to given mass by molecular mass. Number of atom equal to given mass by molecular mass into 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 into atomicity. Atomicity into atomicity. Atomicity means the number of atom present in a molecule. Present in a molecule. Number of molecule given mass by molecular mass into 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. Okay, this is the formula to find out or to calculate the mole concept, to find out the number of moles या given mass. Okay, then you take a screenshot. तुम आ भीतर स्क्रीनशॉट भी गोटे नहीं पारिबो. The number of mole, number of atom, number of molecules. Okay, now we calculate some problem with mole concept. आम mole concept को लेकिन किसी problem एवं calculate करिबा. So for example, find out the number of molecule present in 4.4 gram carbon dioxide. First, here is given that the mass of carbon dioxide. Our formula, the number of molecule equal to given mass is given mass 4.4 gram. Okay, molecular mass equal to CO2 mean 12 plus 32 44 mu. That molar mass is 44 gram. The number of molecule equal to given mass is 4.4 gram divided by molar mass is 44 into 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 means 44 by 44 into 10 into 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 cancel, so that 6.023 into 10 to the power 22. Okay, this question is that find out the number of molecule present in 4.4 gram carbon dioxide. 4.4 gram carbon dioxide भितरे केतेटा carbon dioxide molecule अच्छी, then you can find out. You know that given mass is 4.4 gram, molar mass of carbon dioxide is 44 gram, number of molecule, so that 4.4 given mass by molar mass into 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. Then you can calculate. Okay, suppose in this question they find out the number of oxygen atom. Only number of oxygen atom. That given mass is 4.4, molecular mass is 44 into 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. Atomicity mean number of oxygen atom in carbon dioxide molecule what? number of oxygen atom is 2, so you multiplied 2. Okay, let us go to another example. आउ example को आमे जिबा. Find out the number of atom present in 6.4 gram methane molecule. Okay, find out the number of atom present in 6.4 gram methane molecules. Here is given mass 6.4 gram, molar mass, methane mean carbon, atomic mass is 12 plus 4 hydrogen atom, mean 4 into 1, that is equal to 16 gram. So number of atom equal to given mass means 6.4 divided by 16 into 10 to the power 6.023 into 10 to the power 23, mean 0.4, 4 3 ja 12, 4 3 ja 12, carrying 1, 4 2 ja 8, 9, 0, 24 into 10 to the power 22 number of atom. That is the number of molecule. If number of atom that is 6.4 divided by 16 into 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 into atomicity. Atomicity is what? CH4 5. In CH4 1 carbon atom and 4 hydrogen atom. Total atom is 5, so atomicity is 5. Then I find out the number of atom. If number of molecule, that only given mass by molecular mass into 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. If number of atom, then 6.4 by given mass by molecular mass or molar mass into 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 into 5. Okay. Then we go to find out the mass of, another example, find out the mass of 2.5 mole, find out the mass of 2.5 mole calcium carbonate molecule. Here is given mass is unknown. Let mass of CaCO3 equal to X, molar mass equal to 40 plus carbon mass 12 plus 3 into 16 48, that is 100 gram. You know that number of mole given mean 2.5 equal to X by 100. So X equal to 2.5 into 100, that means 250 gram. This is the answer. Very easy. The number of mole is given. So number of mole equal to given mass by molar mass. Number of mole is given 2.5. So given mass is unknown, so that we take the X, and the molar mass is 100. So that X equal to 2.5 into 100, 250 gram. Clear? Then we go to molar volume. Go to molar volume. Okay. Go to molar volume. Molar volume means the volume of 1 mole gaseous molecule, gaseous volume of 1 mole gaseous molecule at NTP or STP, normal temperature or pressure, or STP means standard temperature and pressure. Here is pressure is 1 atm, here is pressure is 1 bar. That is also estimated volume. The estimated volume, or which is experimentally calculated, the estimated volume of 1 mole gaseous molecule equal to 22.4 liter. If you take 1 bar, that is 22.7, but generally you take 22.4 liter or 22400 ml. That is the volume of 1 mole gaseous molecule at NTP or STP of any substance. Clear? Here is also formula, the number of mole equal to given volume by 22.4 liter, or number of molecule given volume by 22.4 liter or 22400 ml into 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. Number of atom equal to given volume by 22.4 into 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 into atomicity. Okay, this is the formula to calculate the molar volume, mean for gaseous molecules. Okay, to find out the number of mole, to find out the number of atom. Clear? Now we do some problem about the molar volume. Find out the number of molecule present in 300 ml sulfur dioxide gas. Okay, there is no need of molecular mass or molar mass, because there is the gaseous molecules which is related with the volume at NTP. Okay, so given volume is 300 ml. Then find out the number of molecule equal to given volume, mean 300, given volume is 300 divided by as it in ml, so here is 22400 ml into 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. Then equal to 3/224 into 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. Then you can calculate. Okay. Suppose find out the volume of 2.5 mole carbon dioxide gas at NTP. Then given volume are unknown, so that let the given volume is X, the volume is X later, and you know that number of mole equal to 2.5, number of mole equal to given volume mean X by 22.4 liter. Number of mole equal to 2.5 equal to X by 22.4, then X equal to 22.4 into 2.5. Okay, now we clear about the mole concept. Clear? Okay, thank you very much.